We made it! We are here for a few days to spend the week with Robert's family, celebrate Christmas, and just have a really relaxing week together. We had a couple little issues with our room, so the housekeeping team apologized and brought us this adorable box of chocolates. Very fancy. So we do have some extra goodies from Cast Member Christmas. We always order extra in case something comes open or broken. And so we just used whatever we had extra. There's some toys, some gummies, some candy canes in here. And we are going around passing them out so more cast members are getting gifts. We are here at the pool to do Disney Parks trivia, and we've decided we are going to do girls against guys. They're going down.
How many acres does Kilimanjaro, Safari, and Animal Kingdom take up? Number 5. How many ghosts live at the Haunted Mansion? True or false? Disney's transportation system is the 3rd largest bus system in Florida. How many gallons of water does the Fantasmic Lagoon hold? For number 14, which town served as inspiration for Magic Kingdom's Main Street USA?
Marceline.
Marceline, Missouri.
They're handing out free Dole Whip. Look at this.
Who has more outfits in their closet? Mickey or Minnie?
Mickey?
Yeah, Mickey.
Not the best we've ever done, but still proud of ourselves.
We won by half a point. We beat Alyssa's team. Candy and some really cool Encanto stickers in there too.
Aww. Pool time. The only one's crazy enough to get in the pool in this weather. We are over here at Disney's Beach House to meet up with the naturalist. We are hoping to look for some shark teeth. This is one of the free activities we can do here. Obviously, we have no idea if this is gonna work, if we're gonna find anything, but it'll still be fun.
And the weather is a lot nicer this year than it was last year. We were freezing last year. The sun's out, it's nice and warm in the sun, so it shouldn't be too bad out there on the beach.
First shark tooth was found of the day by one of Robert's brothers. Check that out. So many seashells. And so far, no more shark teeth. Mom found the second shark tooth. It's a very tiny one, but it's very sharp. Alright, I have to find it. So little. I think I found one. It's super sharp. Yay!
Oh no! What are you doing? Ah!
And just like at Vero Beach, over here at Hilton Head, they have a free photo pass booth. So we're gonna get some photos. We managed to get all of us in a photo. That's really impressive. All right, we got our photos. Now we're gonna choose what backdrop we want. Seems good, yeah. And then it will print out down here. But we don't just get the photos. We'll also get a way to scan it into our photo pass, which is awesome because then you have a digital version of it.
There's the QR code and everything, photo pass.
Oh, we each get one. We don't have to share.
There's our pictures.
Oh, they're cute.
Out here by the pool at the beach house, they put some coffee out for free. Really nice.
We are once again back for trivia. This time it is Disney Quotes Trivia.
For number 1, if you can't say something nice, don't say nothing at all. Anybody know?
Thumper.
Thumper.
Yes, Thumper from Bambi. For number 6, Ohana means family, and family means nobody gets left behind or forgotten.
Lilo, Stitch, and Nani.
Not Moana.
We got 36 points and we won! That's awesome! Here's our goodie bag we won. Little stickers, a little toy, and some candy. We've got some complimentary hot chocolate out here and of course, marshmallows! All right, we're here for one of the paid activities. It's kind of a slime mixture thing, so we're gonna see how it goes. And they give you a jar so you can take it home with you. That's awesome. They're handing out popsicles for everyone at the pool area. We are back at the bike barn for another activity. This is a free scavenger hunt. They gave us some clues and we have to just go find everything.
And they're gonna be all over the resort because we haven't had enough exercise today, I guess. So we gotta get out and do some walking. Here's the first one, it's the live oak tree. All right, we found one of the animals in the scavenger hunt out here by the pier. All right, found another one, found the crab.
Woohoo!
Okay, oyster.
There's another one.
That's another one. Found another one.
We got a bag of candy for doing the scavenger hunt. By the end of the week, we'll have one for each of us in our group. Yes, please. Thank you.
Got our s'mores kit and we're ready to roast. First marshmallow looking pretty good.
Definitely having more than one of these.
Yeah, several of them.
This is the last day for the kids to enjoy the pool slide because it is being shut down tomorrow for maintenance. So they're enjoying it and also enjoying being the only ones in the pool tonight. It's about 58 degrees, so most people are not in the pool. So they get the whole thing to themselves. Intense game. Ooh, you gave her 2 of them. We get to choose up to 3 keychain charms, and these are adorable.
I think Alyssa's struggling with counting to 3 here.
I'm working on narrowing it down.
Sure, you sure. Okay, now there's 3.
is awesome. I love that.
A couple times a week, Pluto comes out here for a little meet and greet. Hi, Pluto.
Oh, the Mickey?
Oh, Mickey, your best friend.
She's got Mickey earrings too.
I do.
I should have earrings of you. Do you think I could get those made?
I think we need some Pluto
You could
earrings.
buy them for me as a present. Oh, no.
Maybe you could like go beat his nose.
Annual tradition. Always have to roast hot dogs in the fireplace in the room. And of course, we'll be making s'mores later. Got a really big fire going. Very happy right now. S'mores all week.
First thing this morning, we came down to do the nature walk, and we found out that it's actually a nature walk bingo. So, yeah, I'm gonna win.
So I went for this walk a few weeks ago, and we saw 2 bald eagles here at the resort. It's pretty cool.
wow.
We found the only naturally occurring hidden Mickey so far here at the resort. That's pretty cool. Well, I got mine out in nature. Alyssa wants to get all of hers though, so she came over here to the nature cart to see what she can find that's on the list.
I got blackout bingo and a sticker. Amazing how all these things were just kind of in the wild today.
Yeah, and I also got a sticker. And I didn't get blackout bingo, just regular bingo. So I don't know why she had to go over the top like that.
Ooh, that was good. Oh, you knocked it in. We are here for our final activity of the trip, and we are going birding with binoculars.
Yeah, this should be interesting. There are tons and tons of birds and other wildlife here at the resort, but it's overcast right now. It's afternoon. We're gonna see what's out there today.
But they did provide binoculars for everyone, so they have tons of them, which is awesome.
Right above the water.
Oh, wow.
When is he gonna touch you?
Oh, I thought he was gonna hit ground. There it is. That's so cool.
Oh, a wall!
Oh, that's so cool.
Like a dolphin. There it is. You can see it underwater.
Well, bird watching was fun. We got to see a few cool ones. There was a hawk, there was a pelican, but it kind of got overshadowed by the dolphin.
Yeah, that thing just swam right in front of us. They said it's very unusual this time of year to see them this close, and even any time of year to have them that close to us for that long. That was a pretty cool thing to end your bird watching trip with.
It was very special. We have had so much fun this week, but it is time to check out and sadly leave. But we had a great time. The kids loved the slime they got to make. I really enjoyed my keychain. And of course, we had the best time with all the free activities we did as well.
Yeah, I always love coming here to Hilton Head. It's so relaxing and peaceful and quiet, especially in January when there's a lot less people here than the summertime. All the activities around the resort, all the games we got to play, and honestly, just kind of chilling for a few days was really fun. Looking forward to coming back here next year possibly, because they are going to be going through a remodel here at the resort for the rooms. So I'm excited to see how that turns out, because these are really nice rooms, but they do have some wear and tear going on. So I'm excited to see what that looks like with the refurbishment. So we'll definitely have to come back next year, or maybe a little later than next January when they're done with the refurb, and check those out.
Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.
We're here with the ears.